Hey guys, long time no see. Now I'll show you how to do the effect I call the ghost impact. You can use any resolution for the composition. I will use 1000 by 1000. Make a simple animation with opacity. Get a $1,500 home sweepstake now. Link in description. Good luck to you. Duplicate our video fragment. So, look for an effect called S-Edge Detect. Edge Smooth sets the value to 0. Threshold sets the value to 0 to 80. Increase the brightness a little bit. Looking for the tint effect. Choose any color. Create an animation to scale. Also create an animation for opacity. Duplicate the layer. Shift a layer by a few frames. Change the color for this layer. Add 2 layers to the pre-compose. Choose Overlay in the blending mode. Create an adjustment layer and add a deep glow effect. Decrease the radius value. Animate the exposure. Looks good. All that's left to add is a turbulent displace. You can also try other blending modes. Create an adjustment layer and add a turbulence displace. Set the keyframes for amount, size, and evolution.